Barndominiums are a lot of fun because there's so much variety within this style, within this movement. I've had projects that range from horse barns to having an indoor basketball court to simply having a big giant open living room with a glass garage door connecting the shop to the house so that the vintage motorcycle can be a part of any party that this person throws. It's just a really fun way to showcase the client's personality, and I think that's why I like it so much. So Barndominiums, in the simplest term, is a simple rectangular structure. Quite often it's a converted barn or metal agricultural shed structure that's already there that is being converted to living space. So the original thought was that this was very cost effective. All of your structures on the perimeter, so your interior can be whatever you want. You get to have these gorgeous tall ceilings because of the high walls. You get to have interior space that is not confined by where the structural posts need to go. It has definitely become more of a style. It is sort of its own version of farmhouse style in a way. And it can be just the same price as a contemporary stick-built home. In fact, not all of them are metal structures anymore. A lot of them are stick-built in the style of a barndominium. The other component of this trend or this style is typically an attached garage, barn, shop, some sort of a large space, larger than or equal to in size as the living space. So say you want to have an indoor roller rink for your kids or a basketball court, or you want to have the horse barn under the same roof or connected by a small breezeway. That's sort of the appeal of this, is that you have a large quantity of square footage for hopefully a smaller per square foot price. One of the things that I've always liked about design, and part of this whole left brain, right brain part of my personality, is design to me is like Tetris or Minecraft or Legos. I love having a parameter and being told, okay, you have to be within this many square foot. You have to have a building that's 40 by 60, whatever those parameters are. And then what are we going to fill it with? How many bedrooms do we need to fit in there? How many bathrooms? What size and shape of the kitchen? So how can we fit all of this within those parameters? It's problem solving, and it is so much fun to me. And I like to think that I come up with these creative solutions for my clients to really maximize the space and create beautiful functional spaces within parameters. You're not only going to get a beautiful space and one that's been fully thought out for function, you're going to get more than just a draftsperson. A draftsperson will take what you give them, turn it around, and give it back to you with nice clean lines. A designer will take what you give them and really review the whole project, review all of the details, and say, you know, yes, the sight lines are great on this. The traffic flow works really well on this. No, we need to move some of these adjacencies, and really give it that review that a draftsperson might not. Then you're going to get that full set of construction plans that you can take to your builder and engineer, have them do their work, and it's all organized, it's all ready to go. Every detail has been thought out.